So yeah, guys, that's your boy the future. That's what I'm doing today. You know, glamping, experiencing new places. Wow, look how deep I am. See that mane? Whew. Huh. 1,000 likes, and next video I'm gonna walk in this tunnel. 1,000 likes, guys, that's all it takes. And I'm gonna take you inside this tunnel. What a beautiful place. I just experienced it today. Let's keep on climbing. See what we gonna get. Wow, it's very sharp edges. It wasn't easy to get in here. By the way, guys, you see how that is? Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna try to be safe as much as I can. Oh. Whew. That was too close. One more. Oh. Whoa. Look at this. And this is shaky too. And I have a flip-flap on. I wasn't planning on this. Come on. Whew. Whoa. Just made it out of there. As you can see. Just made it out of there alive. Well, let's get my bike and keep going. Keep you guys updated. There's the other side to this bridge too. Woo! Look like somebody had a bonfire over here. You know, they're enjoying their time on this back again. You see this? Keep on going. Keep on going. I think this is a bandit road actually. You know, cars used to drive on here, but it's bandit now. Wow, you see them trees over there? That's just crazy. You know, that's just crazy. So let's try to keep it tight. Oh man. It's like too hard to drive and I mean ride a bike and as well holding a camera with one hand. But I'm doing this for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video. You know, stay tuned. We'll see you in another video, guys. Friends, what's going on? That's your boy the future with another video. Hope everybody doing all right. I just find this new place, yo. I just experienced it. It's just crazy, you know. I was on my bike cruising and then boom, I find this place. I was like, yo, let's give it a shot. Let me show you what I'm actually standing on, yo. Yo, that's just crazy. Wow, let me keep going and see what I might find, and then I'm gonna show you guys. So see you in another one.